Today, we review the best 5 cookbook stands that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Clear Solutions Deluxe Large Cookbook Holder. This stand is sturdy enough to allow you to use it for larger cookbooks, and its 15 3/4 by 12 inches acrylic shield will prevent splatters on these larger books. This can also be used for tablets, but its shield will prevent easy swiping. This stand does need handling carefully when inserting larger books, as the front is hinged, and if not careful, it will fall down onto the countertop.
Number 2.
Wishacc Bamboo Book Stand. Suitable for standing a tablet on as well. This stand measures 11 inches by 8.1. It has 2 metal pegs at the front of the stand to hold pages in place when in use. Made from natural bamboo, it can be wiped clean and is durable. It has a design cut through the bamboo, although some buyers have received one with a plain design. This stand should also have non-slip rubber feet to prevent any movement, but some have been shipped without the feet.
Number 3.
Norpro Acrylic Cookbook Tablet Holder. Measuring 12.5 by 9 inches, the Norpro Acrylic Cookbook Tablet Holder is a contemporary design made with one piece of clear acrylic, and it provides a splatter shield to protect your book or tablet from splashes. As this is made from acrylic, there is a risk of it shattering if it is dropped on the floor, and some have found that this stand is too flimsy for larger and/or heavier books.
Number 4.
OXO Good Grips Pop-Up Cookbook Holder. Designed to auto-open, the OXO Good Grips Pop-Up Cookbook Holder is suitable for holding cookbooks and tablets. After use, it can be folded down and stored flat or alongside cookbooks. The viewing angle of this holder is not adjustable, which increases the risk of glare when using a tablet on it. The back is also a little short to support loose sheets of paper.
Number 5.
Tripar Swirl Design Cookbook Stand. The antique-style Tripar cookbook stand is constructed from metal with a dark antiqued finish. A traditional non-adjustable cookbook stand, this has weighted chains to hold pages in place when using. This stand is also suitable for using a tablet on, although it does not have a splatter guard. Its back folds down for easier storage.